The Sizokuthola crew, the top drug-busting team in the nation, was highly attacked and prevented from exposing a drug dealer in Northwest. The Sizokuthola crew allegedly entered Coconut Lounge as patrons there were enjoying a couple of drinks and introduced themselves. He claimed that they gave an explanation of their identities and goals. In the exact words, it was said, and I quote, when they saw Mojalov presenter Tolani Kumalo, some patrons of the pub became delighted, and the atmosphere in the establishment quickly became buzzing. The management and security of Coconut Lounge abruptly barred the crew from reaching the suspect despite the fact that they could see him from where they were standing, according to the source. The source then went ahead and told Zimoja that things got heated and to avoid an altercation, the Sizokuthola crew tried to get out of the pub, but then again they were blocked by security. In the exactitude of the words, it said, and I quote, eventually, some of them managed to walk away, but others were locked in since the security locked the gates. The crew that was outside broke the gate, locked and managed to rescue the remaining members. It was a sad thing to watch because it's clear that criminals are protected at all costs. The drug dealer they shielded is actually claiming the lives of so many young people. Yet, management and security did everything they could to keep him safe. Cry, my cherished nation, the person continued. Additionally, it claimed as well that when the crew was outside the building, security at Coconut Lounge tossed bottles at them, breaking one of the vehicles. The police has actually been notified of a case of deliberate damage to property, according to the Northwest SAP spokesman Colonel Amanda Funani. Police investigations are highly ongoing and no one has yet been arrested, according to Funani. Things are going so south already in South Africa as far as all of this is concerned. Zimoja Lezinto had this to post, and I quote, Sizokuthola crew attacked as they are about to burst a drug dealer. Things are going wrong. Things are going south. That drug dealer must still be busted. No retreat, no surrender. Guys, you will tell me in the comment section, like, do you really feel comfortable seeing that Mr. Kumalo is the one who is behind this drug lord? Literally, we know how dangerous these people might be, and without any huge backing from the state, things are so not safe for him already. Look at what just happened to his crew. Anyways, you all tell me what you think about all of this in the comment section. I love you all. I'm going to be replying to each and every of your messages, and of course, do well to come back for more gist and vibes.